How to download Fortnite app on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite app on your Windows. Now, without any further ado, let's move towards the video. First, you need to head over to your browser and then in the search bar, you need to type Fortnite. Then you need to simply go ahead and click on Fortnite.com and this will take you to the Fortnite official website. If you have not signed in, simply go ahead and click on sign in option over here. Now, you can choose all of this to sign in. You can sign in with your PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo account, or you can also sign in using Google, Steam, sign in with Apple, Facebook, or Lego account. You can go ahead and choose Google. Now that you are signed in with Google, you need to simply go ahead and enter your password. Then you need to click on sign in. Once you have done that, a 6-digit security code will be sent to your Gmail. As you can see, the code has been sent to my Gmail. You need to simply go ahead and copy the code. And once you have done that, you need to paste it over here. Then click on continue. Then you need to go ahead and click on yes, continue. Then you can go ahead and click on confirm. And once you are done, you need to click on done linking. Now that you are signed into Fortnite, you need to simply go ahead and click on download option over here. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on save. As you can see that the launcher has been now downloaded, you need to simply click on it to open. Now you can simply go ahead and choose where you want to install the file and then you need to click on install. And once the installation is complete, you can see the Epic Games launcher on your PC. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.